idiot. Yes, man.
What did you do?
I did everything. No, when I say everything, I mean everything. Everything. Like, is THANG. Everything.
Like what?
Yeah, deaf. Me do everything.
Like what?
I had sex with a lot of girls. No, when I say a lot, I mean a lot. I had a threesome, a foursome, a pentasome. I even had a winsome. Do you know what a winsome is? Do you want me to tell you what a winsome is? No? I will still tell you anyway. A winsome is when you have sex with a bunch of girls at the same time and they're all named winsome. That's some player shit. Real gallis thing that. What we do? At the part they reach. What we did meet? Remember Terrace. Remember. You me I say? Zane? Me did there with our friend. Our friend named Winsome. And Winsome carry her come and want like a Jamaican get together what we did have. And she never rate me, no.
No, I didn't like you at first.
Looking back at it, when me and you did start copulate, me never still there with Winsome. Me did still there with Winsome. You take me Winsome, man, Terrace. You take me away from Winsome. And you are going to talk to me about cheating? You don't have no morals. But me like it. Give me a high five. No? I'll high five myself. The very first time copulate. But it just drop off Winsome at work and I go upstairs. I'm a book her up on the elevator.
And then you offered to bring my groceries upstairs.
And we did bring the groceries upstairs. Ha! But see, me say when me reach in our apartment, the clothes gone left, the groceries gone right. And when me start put on the pipe in us, sir. Hey, to put it this way, I tear up that lettuce. Me say me tear up the lettuce. You did find back the head of cabbage there? I don't think you did find it back. Remember, say you couldn't even find your panty. Ask the nurse what she asked me panty for. Me fling that the panty for. Vibes Cartel. If I never. I mean, after that, we did a lot of copulating.
Every day.
But no lie. I miss them days there still.
Me too.
You remember that song, yeah?
Baby, it's time.
You remember that song, yeah? Hey! You remember it, though? You see how smile, man. You remember?
Yo.
Get easy. You remember this song? You want it easy? Take the things on. You take my money. On the tabletop. You remember that? Take body, girl. You see me easy. Guys, can we get back to the video? Yeah, brother, you know something I really like, you know, true?
I would go through his phone.
What?
And I would like see text messages or like
You gotta search on my things.
of girls.
Look, I did my cousin them. All 217 of them were my cousins. My uncle them wild. My family big. You see what I'm saying?
One time I went to his room.
My girl was still up on this.
Someone else in his room. And he told me to leave.
Me explain it to her. And me explain it to Una. See? You see how the place is set up when me that stay? And it's small. It's still like a matches box. Like well little. See? The room only have oxygen for 2 people basically. If she did come in there, she would have suffocated. And that me I try to tell her. So I tell her, say, yo, go on back in your room, go easy.
I went back to my room and I just cried.
Like a big idiot. Watch her. She has to start ball again. Say something to her. I don't know what to say, what say. You want a piece of burger come? Why you never just hear me when me did I tell you, say that I go on? Why you never just hear me?
I don't know, I think I was like stupid.
And you say it, not me. You say it.
How many times did you cheat on me?
My girl, I know something good with numbers.
If you had to say.
237 times. Where you go? Shall I go do? No, send me the picture, no? Send me a picture, man. Let me see where you're going with. Yo, hang on, me call you back. Your shit quick though.
What do you mean?
Alright, check it. Hard doodoo, it take a time to come out. And soft doodoo now, it fly out like without you even knowing.
Yeah. I think that's true.
So what was it? Was it hard or soft doodoo?
It was hard.
I'm sorry guys, but shouldn't we be talking about him cheating on you? Brother, mind your ass business now. Please and thanks. Alright, hear me also. So you want to go bust a piece? That's forward, man. Go bust a little piece on this one. For all time's sake. Yo, nobody on a condom, scandal bag, no paper bag, nobody on nothing. Big man thing. So you're just gonna have sex with him. You're just gonna have sex with your ex. Wow, that's real classy. Brother, you play basketball or something? So where y'all block me for suffer, dog? Where y'all block me suffer? Me do you nothing? Yeah. So nobody on a condom. If anything, we just drink out some bush tea in the morning. I'm good. Let's start on this.